In today's video, I am going to teach you how to contact with Hootsuite customer service. If you are having trouble with your account, you are missing a feature, or you just need help with billing or setup, contacting support is the fastest way to get answers. The process is simple, and you can do it directly from the Hootsuite interface. First, click your profile image icon in the bottom left corner. On screen, look for the small circle or avatar that represents your account. This is usually located near the bottom left area of the dashboard. Taking this step is important because it opens the menu that contains the help options for your account. If you do not see it right away, try enlarging your browser window or zooming out slightly so the bottom left corner is visible. Next, from the slide out menu, click Help Center. After you click your profile image, a menu will slide out from the side. In that menu, you should see an option labeled Help Center. Select it now. This step matters because the Help Center is where Hootsuite organizes guidance and support tools. It is designed to help you reach the right place for contacting support, even if you are not sure which topic your issue belongs to. Then inside the window that opens, click Contact Support. Once you choose Help Center, a new window or panel should appear. Within that area, you will see an option specifically for contacting support. Click Contact Support so you can start a support conversation. This is the point where the process shifts from reading general help to reaching out to a real support channel. If you have multiple panes or tabs open, make sure you are selecting Contact Support inside the correct window, not from another section of the interface. After that, type your message into the Support Chat panel. You will see a chat box or message field where you can enter details. Start by describing what you need help with in clear language. Include any relevant context that would help support understand your situation quickly. For example, you can mention what you were trying to do, what happened instead, and any error message you saw if you have one. Then add any steps you already tried, because that can save time. Finally, enter your message into the support panel exactly where the typing area is shown. As you type, take a moment to review what you wrote before sending it. Even though support chat is flexible, the goal is to make your request easy to understand. Use short sentences and focus on the issue you want resolved. If you are describing a problem, be sure your message includes the key details, like what feature or section you were using when the issue occurred. That will help support route your request to the right team. Once your message is ready in the support chat panel, you can proceed with submitting it through the chat. At this stage, your request is officially in the support flow, and you can wait for the response. Depending on how busy support is, the wait time may vary, but sending a complete message usually helps you get a faster and more accurate reply. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.